Hi there! Today I would like to show you again about this Rubik's Cube that I was obsessed for many years, but I couldn't figure out how to solve it. And now I finally figured out. Guess what? Helping me? YouTube videos. So I learned it from YouTube videos. And now that I learned it, I would like to show it to you. I'm not that fast like other kids and other really good people out there, but I will show it to you in a very easy way that you can learn quick. So let's get started. Have fun. I just love to learn this because whenever we had a get together with group of friends and kids that like to learn, I have something to show them interesting, and some of the kids are very interested. But so let's get started, and I hope you will like it. Enjoy. So first, let me scramble this Rubik's Cube 3 by 3. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Whatever you scramble it a lot. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Okay. Step 1. I'd like to do the yellow on the top first. This is the one that I learned from the beginning. So, yellow on the top. Make a daisy. This is a flower. Make this daisy in the top. Like there's white, 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 and white. They call it a daisy. So, first thing you have to do is find the white. So we got white one here, and there's another white here. We got two. Don't mind the other white. They don't count. And there's two, another one. Find another one. So here you go. So just turn that so that you can put that in the top. So here's the daisy. And this is still part of the step 1. You have to put this white to the bottom so that you can have a cross white here too. So all you have to do is you have to line up the color. Two white here and there's two color here. So here you go. We got red, red, white, red, red, and you have to turn it twice. 1, 2. Then do it to the 4 color. We got blue, then 1, 2. Next is green. Let's find the green. So there's the green, and then 1, 2. Still have one more orange. There's the orange. 1, 2. So here you go. There's the cross white in the bottom. So next step, make this solid in the bottoms. Make this solid white and solve the first layer. So all you have to do, now we're gonna follow an algorithm. So all you have to do is find the white in the corner and find the color. Like this one, there's red and blue. So you have to find the red and the blue. So you turn it here because there's the red and the blue. And you have to write the algorithm, which R-U-R-I-U-I. You have to do that again and again until this white will face this way, and this blue will be here, and this red will be here. So let's start. So R-U-R-I-U-I, 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 R-U-R-I-U-I. There you go. See the white, and there's the blue, and there's the red. So next, thing to do is find another white. There's another white here, but it's orange and blue, so you find the orange and blue. There you go, orange and blue. So you have to do the same algorithm. RU, RIUI, RU, RIUI, RU, RIUI. There you go. So there's the orange, the blue, and the white in the bottom. So find another one. There's another one. It's green and red. So you turn it over here to the green and red. So RU, RIUI. Now that is really quick because it's already been there so close. You don't have to do it again and again. It's already there. Red and green and white. So let's find the last white. There is the last white. It's green and orange. So you are in the right position. So RU, RIUI, RU, RIUI, URIUI, RU, RIUI. So you got your solid white in the bottom, and you have the first layer solved. Okay. Now let's go to the step 3. Solve the second layer. So in order to solve the second layer, you have to find the color here in the center without yellow on it. There's yellow. There's one. Orange and green. You have to find the green. Line up to the green color. There's this green color, and there's this orange. There's orange will be here, and that green will be here. So what we have to do is turn this. Since this here, we have to turn to the right. You turn the U to the right once. Remember, away from the orange. And then you have to do the algorithm. Since we are in the right side, we'll do the righty algorithm. RU, RIUI. So just once. Then we have to turn to the right. And then we have to do the lefty algorithm. The lefty algorithm is like this. LI, UI, L, U. So there you go, we got it. The orange hair and the green hair. So we'll go find another color. There's blue and red, so that's already online. And then we'll find the blue. So the blue is right here on the left side. So we turn to the right, away from the blue. And since it's left side, we'll do the lefty algorithm. So LI, UI, L, U. And then we turn to the left, to the blue, and then do the righty algorithm. R, U, R, I, U, I. So we solve that. And we have here, we have another yellow. We are lucky this time. We have a lot of no yellow. Most of the time I have all yellow there, but I can show it to you how to solve it. So this time we have orange, and the blue is over here. So we just away to the blue, righty algorithm, RU, RIUI, and then turn to the right, left I, UI, L, U. So here you go. Let's see if we have some more. No, we have some more. We have some more here. So find the red, and then there's the green. So away from the green, righty algorithm, righty right, RU, RIUI, turn to the right, LI, UI, LU. Now we have solved the second layer. So let's go to the step 4. Make the yellow cross in the top. So in order to do that, you have to face this way, anywhere you can face. But this one L in the bottom, it's easier to do it. So let's do the algorithm. R U R I U I F I. So we'll turn until we get that done. You can turn that way or you can turn that way. So let's do it again. F R U R I U I F. So we're still not done there. Still not there. So we'll turn it again. F R U R I U I F. Now we have the line. We're almost there. Do it again. F R U R I U I F I. There you go. You got your cross. You got your cross yellow on the top. So next thing to do, we're going to the step 5, the final step. So next thing we have to do is to line up the center color all the way, all 4 center. You have to line it up. So let's put that in the blue. We got the blue, we got the orange, but we don't have the green and the red. So we'll put the right position here in the back and in the left side, and we'll do the algorithm of we'll do the algorithm of R U 2 R I U I R U I and R I. Let's see if we got the right. There you go. We got all the color lined up in the center. So they're all in the right position now. So the next thing we need to do is make this corner in the right position. So this one is not, because they're supposed to be, this is supposed to be orange. This one is right. We have a right one, so orange and green. And this one is not. So we have 3 corners that is not in the right position. So we'll do the algorithm of, we'll put the right position in the right corner. And we'll do the algorithm of U R U I L I U R I U I L. So let's check if we're in the right position. This is right. Green and green, red and red. And we have blue and blue, red and red. And we have orange, orange, and we have blue and blue. So all the corner is in the right position. They're just twisted, but they're in the right position now. This is the right position. But all of the 3 are twisted, but they're in the right position. Okay, let's get ready for the final step. So you change your position of your Rubik's like that. You put the corner, you put in the right side the solid white, and you put the yellow side here, and you do the position like that. And this is the very easy one. So the yellow is here. The goal is you put the yellow color facing in the left side. So let's do the algorithm of the righty R. The algorithm the first time we use is R U R I U I R U R I U I. There you go. There's your yellow facing this way. So all we have to do is put that yellow in this corner. So turn and then do the algorithm again until the yellow will face in this left corner. So R U R I U I R U R I U I. There you go. You got it. We got it. So next, this is the last one. R-U-R-I-U-I. R-U-R-I-U-I. There you go. All you have to do is just turn the top and ta-da! There you go. You got it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy learning. This is really fun. Bye. Subscribe for more videos.